Just got married, di ba?
Yeah, we got married last year.
Okay.
So,
Introduce a day. Uy.
yeah.
Okay, i-introduce ko rin yung mga
Oo.
Sige.
Sorry, introduce myself?
Oh.
Oh,
O siya, up and down, oy.
Oh yeah, my name is Zoa Champagne Manayaga. I am the owner of Zoa Events and Services.
Mm-hmm.
This is my husband, Kerry Christian Nico. Tapdasan. Tapdasan na po din ko.
Bro, gumito, bro. Enjoy, bro. Sige. Anya.
Yeah, and naa siya scuba diving business. It's called Submersion Diver Cebu.
Nya, ni-apil na sad ka sa iyang
Yes, kami
business.
duha. And also, we have another business in Dipolog because he's from Dipolog City.
Mm.
We have a vape shop there. It's called Vapory Cloud Room. So, dito lang to siya.
O siya man to siya nga kanang mga vape from
Kuan
business.
mga electronic vapes,
Oh.
mga dispos. Na.
Kusog ba siya ron, bro?
Naagid siya kay mura man siya og say if you're a smoker it's essential ba?
Yeah.
Ah.
Paliton jud siya
Oh,
for
yeah.
sa everyday.
So, usara naka-branch mo.
Usara.
Asa.
Hopefully na pa.
So, when it comes to income, good?
I would say yes. Because it can pay the bills.
Yeah.
Pay the bills, kunya napapagay. Ang like, how about the diving? Is it like passion niya siya ni mga business or maingon kang passion business man nimo o kanang
Passion
Well,
business.
it started as a passion business.
okay.
It started I was scuba diving for a long time ago, and then it all turned into there was just an idea na, how about I make a business out of it, or the goal before was to make a community because it was really hard for me to look for dive buddies. So I came up with the name Submersion. Well, you submerge in the water. And then I was just shocked a few months after I have regular clientels which became my friends, and it started 2019 and up until now it became Submersion. It's still around.
So bisag mura siya murag hobby nimo or pastime nimo nya naghimo nimo kanang like a business.
Yes.
And how was it? Like I'm sure I've heard running a business is not that easy, man.
Mhm.
So there are challenges. Siya nanonood na dito.
Okay,
There are challenges, man. And then, dili ba ni sa seasonal kind of business or what?
It depends on the location.
Asa ni location nandito?
We are based in Mactan.
Wala may physical
So,
shop. But we're just not freelancer but
Mura siya og some kind of freelance. Something.
How does that work? Like, kung ganahan ko mo dive, mo contact ko ninyo.
Yes. Okay, destination kuan man ni kana
Yeah.
among business.
We're focused more on destinations and courses, especially if you're trying to get into that hobby. You look for like a dive shop or a dive organization or community. Then you're gonna do some dives, and then we can arrange trips all over the country and sometimes other parts of the world as well.
So, mura mo mukuyog sa katong client?
Not necessarily, but most of the time, yes.
So, dili siya yung pareha sa naandan. Naandan, di mo ko diver, no? Sa ako naandan nga nakita ba nga, kung ato ka sa beach, ato ka sa resort, there's like a shop here nga,
Yeah.
anak, nga mo lang kuaunon. Sa inyo is, murag on-call mo? Or
Online.
Online. And then, they book your services and kung sa to yung mention nga, you help them kay scuba diver, ha? Para ni sa tato mga ganahan ba?
Oo, ma-try scuba diving.
Nga, aside sa pickleball. Aside sa, kay mga po naatan mo, naatan mo yung mga plano. So, kanang, kumukuha ko, unsa may ma-expect na ako, like, do you teach me, or it should be a group ba?
So we do have different programs.
Mm.
If you're not certified, because before you can scuba dive, you need to have a certificate.
Oh,
Yes, you need to have. They call it here license, but it's actually not a license. It's a certificate that our dive standards gives you. No, so we have a program for people who just want to try diving, or for people who's planning to get certified and just want to test the waters. So that's what we call the Discover Scuba Diving. So even if you don't know how to swim, you don't have any other experience, because we start from the scratch.
Mm.
We're clean slate.
Mm.
So we teach you all these basic things. We give you some knowledge about what you're gonna do. And then, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And then you will really experience what scuba diving is to a very limited and shallow and very safe manner that you can really experience scuba diving.
Kinsay nag-run ani nga business kamong aside ninyo duha, do you have like employees?
We do have some people who assist us, but mainly for teaching, I teach all the time.
More po sa events, sir, ba nga, if I have an event, naara ko yung mga on-call na mga on-the-day coordinators, same as this time. If naami dives, if naami boat dive, or even diha lang sa Mactan, naami mga kuan, mga on-call na, we call them a dive masters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Naa mo gini mga concerns sa una, challenges sa una sa events, no? And for sure, karon na amo mo ilain nga business, na ay different nga mga pains or challenges nga inyong na-experience. Unsay kalahian? Like, what challenges ay sa inyo ha? Like, right now, sa inyong business, if there's something, an aspect of your business right now, bro, nga kanang giving you like a headache or something, what is it? Like, manpower ba? Getting clients ba? What is it?
Manpower, I did not have any experience na maglisod kog manpower because
Oh.
luckily,
Nice.
I've been in the diving industry for quite a long time, and then I have a lot of people, I have a lot of contacts na I can just call right away. Can you help me? If they're not available, they will just refer me to some other people. Siguro kanang the hard thing, maybe getting clients, yes, but it's not really the main concern because
Oh, it's nice, oh. Nice business.
kaya ano man gud siya, I mean, it's like a business na murag if naa, then it's good. And normally returning mo gud ang clients. So naa gid na sila. Well, if I have a certain goal na I'm looking for a bigger income or something, maybe I would say yes, nga lisod siya mangitag client. But yeah, passion project siya.
Passion today ay. Yeah, sa imong side.
For me, sa events, sir, is getting clients because, as especially sa ato ang kuan karon is nag-crisis ta, nagsunod pa jud ang mga kuan calamities. So I think the event industry is not very like same as before nga sa usa ka month na ay daghan magsunod-sunod, but for me it's okay lang kay since also Zoa Events and Services is a passion project sad for me kay ako man ang hilig.
Puro mga passion projects.
Yeah,
in it.
so dili po dingon nga every time na ay clients nga interested or na ay client nga moabot murag mugo dayon ko because murag depende jud siya.
So you can choose, you pick
Yeah,
your
we pick our clients. Yeah, because dili biya tanan clients murag okay pod for you, di ba?
Yes. Oh.
Nabi uban nga gamay budget. Oh, kung gamay og budget wala jud ay problema, pero kanang gamay budget pero toxic, dili ta ana. So we can choose our clients. Mo na siya ang advantage. If this is your passion business, passion project, you can choose your battles.
Oh, okay. So mga previous guests na ko, ma'am, kay again, this is probably like a way for the universe to kanang make me realize kay ang ako yung tuo sa una nga if you're going to make a business or going to be in a business, avoid being with family or doing business with family, especially kung imong couple ba or partner ba, kay it's going to either ruin the business
Yeah.
or ruin the relationship. So you need to choose.
Mm-mm.
Pero sa mga guess na ko, mga couples, mga
Oo.
uyap pa sa una, hangtod nga karon nakutuko na, and then here you are again. Another
couple.
dukdok na sa sako bro ba. So nakana ko,
Okay ra jud ay.
nagminyo mo. Now nga, nagminyo na mo, kamundo ka, and you're running, tabang kasi ang business, di ba? And
And we have a
hope-
business together. Right?
Yes. So how is it? Di ba lisod?
I
Hindi
don't
usually
think
soon.
I don't think it's hard.
Wow.
It's even better.
Yeah.
Kay?
Because I
Yes,
have
I do.
I have a different brain. My perspective is sometimes different from her perspective.
So we're like
So-
sharing
So
ideas.
we share the idea, and then sometimes I will realize, no, deep down, no,
Yeah.
sakto day.
Ah.
And then sometimes she's also gonna say na, bitaw.
Even sa events na siya more example, na ako'y client, at then mura ko ma-stress kamay. Mura siya, oh, money buhata, ko, oh, bito, no, gana. So, kami ta siya.
So, depende
Maybe
lang
it
yun
depends,
guys
yeah.
sa relationship.
For us, it's very, very nice. It's a very nice feeling, especially nga, married na mi, mas ligaan akong work. Bahalag ni Murag, na ko ilain ho na anawon nga business, which is the diving, and also the vape shop. Pero for us, kay kuan ra gyapon, murag, easy ra gyapon kaayo, kasi kami man duha, or ano ba? Goals.
So, murag mo gyapon ang kuan, murag gyapon ang ilang realization.
Diba?
So, sa'yo ba ito mga tublo na ko sa unang.
Depende yun siguro sa nila experience.
Nga, kuan, depende kung unsa na inyong kasolid ang inyong relationship. Yung dynamics ba?
Oh.
Kaya nang ba yung uban nga masud sa negosyo, ego na kupitan ako, mas maayo mo ko sa events, anong tungkol mo? Anak, ikaw sad, mas maayo mo ko sa diving, I teach niya. And then here you are. So, kinahanglan dyan ay kibaw kasi yung role.
Oo. Maybe if you just allow your partner kung sa iyang strength, you allow him to be kana siya. Dili ka magbuot-buot po. Iho ra ka mo give ideas, but dili ka mingon nga, oh, kabaw ko ana, bisag dili na ako ang kuan.
So, ngayon ko na ko mag-away, bi? Awayon ko mo, tingnan ako. Yay, Anessa. So, mag-meeting, ay kung mag-kuan mo, may mga business planning and all. What don't you like less lang, ayaw lang hate. You like less about her, nga feeling ni mo, ching ni makatabang sa atong planning niya. Ikaw, sad ma'am.
Planning.
Oh, planning ninyo, sa business ninyo, unsay mga challenges nga, pwede ba, ayaw lang na? Ano ba? Ayaw lang.
Ay, ikaw first day ko sa mga.
Well, if kayo.
Initially when we plan something or when we're planning, as of now, we're also planning. I mean, we're already making it, no?
Oh.
But then during the previous
Stage,
planning stage, we do have some things that we don't agree.
Kana.
It's normal.
And it's normal. And I don't take it personally.
Yeah.
I don't really take it personally. I think about the business alone. I don't think about us nga kanang dili na mao imuha na that's her insights, that's her input.
Yes.
So I listen to her. So we combine the two together. But there is something na siguro nga something na medyo malalisan na mo gamay because she gets emotional.
Yeah.
And it's understandable
Ikaw
because she's a
cerebral
girl.
ka, logical, dapat practical.
And then she gets emotional, her tone becomes different. So that's the only thing.
Okay. Nice.
So I
Yeah, na dahil
mo
mo.
ingon na ko nga anong masuko man ka nga we're just talking about this.
Yeah.
So
Mrs. Paminaw.
kana ba mura na siya nga aspect, but when it comes to the business, how it operates, what's the
Yeah.
design, whatever,
We always compromise, Jude. Like,
istoryahan gina
when you see mag-away mi sa planning stage, wala kaayo, Jude, kay every time, at least for me.
Ikaw sad ma'am.
For me, same naman, sir, kung sa mong planning stage kay mauro if nami, of course, we are two different people, we think differently. So, lahi jud mi og kanang mga ideas
Yes.
and stuff. So, if na ako dili mo uyunan nga na mas strong ko gamay.
Strong.
Especially if kanang wala sa mood or ang hormones, hormones na po. But yeah, after that, dili ra man siya ingon nga very big deal or a very big thing na mo kay at the end of the day we always compromise. Like realize sa pud mi nga bitaw no kanang kita man ani so dili ta kailangan mag-away. Dapat kanang dili siya
sorry ko siya di.
Iwo jud gisulti sir. Pera.
Seriously ba ko?
Kaliyatan na sir. Pero ano mo gina siguro?
Sunod na lang siya, sir.
Sa inyo mag-start mo ba kay again, you're improving na dapat ang katubang negosyo, dili lang ka mo stay sa usa ka negosyo kay kung mo fail or magkalisod ka sa negosyo anang ipili
At least na ikaw.
naadyo kay lain o naa kay ikaw na kay events una pa before mo nagminyo so naa kay imong business
The diving.
the diving
So before we got married, I have events and he has
diving
the diving business. And then after we got married, a month after, naghimo dahil mi ang vape shop amo aduha.
inyo na nandoon ang
Yes.
shop
And
ila pa
now,
mo
we're
Coming.
planning to
Coming.
it's already about to start na ang construction. But yeah, but nami partner ni. Dili
Okay.
ra kami duha.
Sa kaning, di na nato i-appeal ning kaning upcoming.
Mm-mm.
Kaning tulo kay active man ni sila.
Mm-mm.
Among the three, if something needs to, or usa ra kabuk ang inyong i-pull off, ay kanang ipadayon, unsa inyo ipadayon?
Dili pwede.
Okay. Kung naman nawala dyan may other choice?
O kung usa ra ka
Kung
business,
Sara Jud. I think
what is more
I will go
profitable
with-
right now?
I would say it's balanced because or any diving is kanang naara siya like peak season and low
Mm.
season, di ba? Also events. Dili siya permi na. So para nako, our three businesses are balanced. At for me, for us, kay siguro mo na naanda na mo sa amo ang income ba. Pero if mapilion jud ko nga naay usa jud nga pabilinon, for me it's the diving. Ano na kita, sir?
Di, ato na lang i-promote yung business.
Okay, yes,
Now,
please.
so
Thank you,
promote
sir.
the event and then invite people to check out nganong ikaw lang gihapon ng pilion, what sets you
Okay.
apart. Of course, ano ang good na.
Mm.
And then the diving business food as well and the vape shop. Go ahead.
Okay.
Take the floor.
Viewers,
Yes, sure.
for your upcoming events, book Zoa Events and Services. Nganong ako inyong kuhaon because I offer customized packages. I don't offer templated packages. So magdepende ko sa inyong budget, magdepende ko sa inyong requirements, and kamo ang magbuot sa inyong event, dili ako. So I think mo na siya ang pinaka number one brand nako. It's your event is all about you. Dili ako ang magbuot, your budget kamo magbuot. Kamo
So
ang-
any event ni siya, wedding or
yeah, weddings,
corporate?
corporate events, even golf. I've tried golf events, fun run. What else? Mga
Corporate.
corporate talks man and stuff. Year-end parties. So yeah, book me,
Book me.
book me.
Okay, sir. About the vape shop and the diving.
Scuba diving.
Scuba diving siguro.
Scuba diving.
So, what's up guys? If you wanna go scuba diving just around Cebu or anywhere, message Submersion Diver Cebu. You can have like a homey feels with everyone in the gang.
Yes.
And
Nice.
if you want to feel really comfortable, if you want like tailored courses or
Mhm.
trips, we can do that for you as well. And if you want to buy some vapes,
And also we have a partner dive shop in Malapascua. If you want to see the sharks, the treasure sharks specifically, sometimes the tiger sharks and
Oh.
hammerhead sharks in Malapascua, message us. We can assist you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you. Selfie, selfie, selfie.